5. Service reselling. Many companies and individuals look to hire people in order to help them expand their online presence, to manage their blogs or forums, or to help assist them with other time-consuming tasks. If you are good at managing small groups of people, you can act as an agent for a team of specialized outsourcers. You would do this by identifying people that can do certain work and then advertise their services to online businesses via your own sales website. In order to make money, you would simply mark up the price on the fee of the outsourcers so you can make a profit. For example, you could offer article writing services on your website for $20 each, but then go and pay an outsourcer that you've found $10 to write the actual article for you. Your goal would be to find a good selection of outsourcers that you can rely on and who can deliver quality work. One way to check is to simply order their services as a customer and check the quality. Running this type of business can save people a lot of time. If, for example, you built a service based around content creation, a website owner only needs to access your website and order their desired content. If they were to go to a freelancing site, they would have to submit their requirements, wait for outsourcers to place bids, then they would have to screen all the bids, and then finally choose someone to do the work. If they have large volumes of work that needs to be done, they might need even more than one worker, which makes the task of vetting outsourcers even more stressful and time-consuming. That's where a service like yours would come in handy for busy business owners, especially if they can come to trust your work. When choosing people to work with, it's important that you only work with outsourcers that you know and trust. If you deliver bad quality content or services to your customers, the chances are they won't return for repeat work and might even leave you bad reviews. Some of the most popular services that you can build a website for are SEO, content creation, banner design, and website design. A great place to look for ideas is at Fiverr.com. You'll find literally thousands of services being offered there and at really cheap prices that you could easily mark up. In order for you to become an outsourcing middleman, here are some steps you can take. Browse through freelancing sites such as Fiverr.com, Guru.com, Upwork.com, etc. to find people that you can hire. Check the quality of their work by making an order as a customer or by asking for samples of previous work. Consider working with outsourcers outside of freelancing sites to avoid unnecessary fees. Freelancing sites help protect buyers and sellers, but if you establish good relationships with your workers, then that won't be an issue, and you can work with them directly. If your business becomes successful enough, you may even consider hiring the outsourcers on a full-time or hourly basis. Create a professional-looking website where you lay out the services you offer, as well as your prices and turnaround times. Include lots of testimonials as soon as you receive them. Start advertising your site on places such as Google AdWords and Bing Ads, and websites and forums where your services would be desirable. Start building up your customer base by doing a great job. Again, this would come down to you selecting a team of workers that deliver high-quality work and start collecting testimonials from the people you help. How much money can I make out of being an outsourcing middleman? A lot of how much you can make depends on the type of services you offer, how many clients you can handle simultaneously, and how well you can market your services. You can expect to take at least 30% of the final price of the service you provide.